going to love the 2011 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights. Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.